Remodeling demands a vacuum system that can change jobs as quickly as the crew does. Remodelers move from demolition debris to drywall dust, sawdust, fasteners, water, and occupied home cleanup, sometimes in the same day. The best vacuum setup must be portable, durable, easy to reconfigure, and capable of maintaining airflow through changing materials. Filtration, hose size, wet use readiness, tool connections, and bag and filter costs all matter. This article is going to explain how remodeling contractors can choose a flexible system that protects finished spaces, reduces downtime, and avoids forcing one filter to handle every type of debris. Go ahead and visit mukbuddy.com to learn more.